Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jazz.
Hi!
And today we're going to be unboxing one we haven't unboxed for a while. Is My Geek Box. But this is a special box. What it is My Geek Box used to do a monthly thing. Now they changed it to doing 3 or 4 boxes a month, and you can choose which one you want. You can either pick 3 boxes a month, 1 box a month, 5 boxes a month if you wanted to. But you can also buy them without a subscription, is what we done. £24.99 with £2.99 postage. This is a retro themed box, and that's why I purchased it, because it said a Nintendo t-shirt, Funko item, and I can't remember the rest. That got me basically Nintendo and Funko. I was straight there. So yep, this was, like I said, £24.99, £2.99 postage. So hopefully this is a good box. Hopefully that you'll get your money's worth in, which is you copying me, you little. Anyway. We're supposed to be professional, right?
Professional?
Nah.
Who do you think we are?
I know, yeah.
Open the box! Open the box! Open the box! The box is now open!
Right, so I'm hoping for a hashtag open the box. So I'm hoping for a decent pop figure. Hoping.
Open.
And a decent t-shirt. I've only got 1 Nintendo t-shirt, haven't I? Stop taking a mick out me. Sorry.
You kept on tapping the box.
I know.
To the box.
Right. It's because in my head I was trying to think of everything to say. That's what it was. It's like, right, say this, say this, say this. Don't forget to say this. Yes. No, I'm not gonna. Stop playing with the bubble wrap.
That's it.
Oh, cool.
Pac-man.
We got one of them up there.
Vinyl figurine.
We got one of these. I can't remember what box it was in. Might have been a Z box. But
I want Puka.
we got. Is that Pac-man up there? Is that Mrs.? That's Pac-Man, isn't it?
Pac-Man.
Yeah, we got Pac-Man one there. Yep. Did you show them the ones that you could get? You
I
could
want Puka.
get any of them ones.
I want Puka. I want Puka. I want Puka.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, is it a Cubit one?
Oh, cute!
Off Bedtime Stories film. He's in that, isn't he?
See?
Yeah. Or Pixels.
Pixels.
That's the one. Same
Wait,
guy.
I'm sorry, it's like raining jelly beans.
Yeah. Cup stores. What have we got? I like the box actually. It's quite nice. I know it's only a box, but I like it. I think these are about 5 or 6 quid. These to get. Mystery minis. Oh, what if this is the Funko item? What about Pac-Man? Well, one of the ghosts of Pac-Man. I don't know what it's called though.
Pac-Man's up there. A whack, a whack, a whack, a whack.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Hang on, I've got the box in my hand.
Got Blinky. Blink,
That's
blink,
actually quite cool
blink,
because we've got
blink.
Pac-Man and now we've got Blinky. Now we need some more of the ghosts.
Hide your face.
Right. Boom. There you go. So that's nice. I like that. I do like that.
Is it Funko?
It is Funko.
Do
Do you feel a Funko Pop?
yes, I do.
Oh, very nice. Have you got this one?
No.
Nice. Actually, didn't we go and pop in a box last night and thumbs up this?
Yep, we did. Literally, yeah, I shouted me down because I was watching my YouTube videos upstairs and said, "Oh, do you like this?" And I went, "Yeah."
So we thumbs it up because you can either get this one or was the Chase's
black and white.
Black and white, wasn't it? And you haven't got any of them, so she's over the moon with this. Oh, nice one. So I'm happy with this box already. And they're about, well, I think they were £10 on popping a box. So there's £15 worth of value straight away, which is nice. Do you want to get her out?
Yeah.
What's the matter? Legion of Collectors is still advertising that, eh? Shows how old that pop is. Anyway. That is cool, that like. I like that. And you're out of box as well, aren't you, to go with all the other stuff.
Yep.
So yeah, that's a nice pop there. I like that.
The old version of it.
It is. There's actually a new pop. That's a miracle. With that head. There's a new pop, isn't there, that's come out, but it's the old version of Wonder Woman. The new one, hasn't it? There's a new one that's come out. I'm sure there's a Comic-Con exclusive one that's come out. I think it's a bit like that.
This is a DC bombshell.
Yeah, these are the bombshell ones. So anyway, but yeah, you're happy with that, aren't you?
Yeah.
Over the moon.
Next item.
It's nice to get a pop that we haven't got.
Superman apron.
Yes. Yes. I'll be cooking the old dinner today. I'm going to be cooking you a super dinner later, Jazz.
These look like a job for.
Super Dan.
No.
That's kind of cool. Do you want to put it on stand up? That's kind. I like that.
Superman.
If I don't wear it, the wife will. But yeah. Jasmine, you're showing all your groovy pyjama bottoms off.
No one saw that.
She said to me before we started the video, "Can I wear my pyjama bottoms? No one will see it, will they?" Sorry, Jazz.
I'm not bothered.
I know you're
You
not.
can have a look at my pyjama bottoms if you want to have a look at my pyjama bottoms.
Yeah.
I'm comfy.
It's a chill day, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I just want to go back to bed.
Next item.
Coin. What's a Sonic the Hedgehog coin?
It's kind of cool.
Limited edition. Limited to that many. That's
5,000 worldwide.
individually numbered, embossed on both sides, silver edition.
That's kind of cool. What number have we got, Jazz? You have to open it and find out.
Open the package.
So yeah, while Jasmine's doing that, that's 10, that's 5, and I'd say this was near enough a tenner if you went to the right shop. So that's practically paid for it anyway. And the coin,
600?
that's not bad.
Out of 5,000.
That's not bad, yeah. It's a decent one. So yeah, that's cool. I might keep this one. Usually, if they come and we don't like them, like the Star Wars ones and that, you have no problem selling them for about £10-15 on eBay. But I'll keep this one because it's retro. So
It'd go with the Thing and Dracula ones.
yeah, that I've kept over there. I might even stick it next to my wherever they are. Sonic Pops. He's somewhere. I think I've got him on my PC in front room. But yeah, that's nice. Like I say, number 600 out of 5,000 is not bad.
These boxes do way too fast.
Isn't it? So you got your money's worth.
Last item.
Last item is a T-shirt, which is the Nintendo one. I'll take that off your jaws.
Officially Nintendo Entertainment System. Official.
Official.
Oh,
I love it.
crisp.
Simple, bro. Simple. But
Smells like
why
crisp.
does it smell like crisps? I can smell it from here. It does. It smells like you know them Transformer crisps where you have to build the wheels and stuff. The 10p pack. Well, they used to be 10p. So probably £1 now. But yeah, it's a nice T-shirt. I like that. The old Nintendo. Licensed official. I like that. I like this box. I really do. I'm happy. Apart from the smell of the T-shirt, it's a bit rank, but. So yeah, quick Oh, is that your belly? Are you hungry?
Yep.
Quick recap.
Feed me.
T-shirt, Nintendo T-shirt, Sonic coin, the bombshell Wonder Woman that Jasmine loves.
Feed me.
Feed me. The mystery mini, which is the Ghost, and the Superman penny. So yeah, to me that was £24.99 with £2.99 postage. So there's definitely £24 worth. Like I say, £10, £10, there's your box. Then you've got your coin and your t-shirt. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I like a lot of the gear that's in the box, but like I say, let me know in the comments what you thought of this box. If you thought it was worth $24.99, let us know. If you've got anything different, we'd like to know as well if you've got this box. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button for us and the little notification bell so you know when we next upload our videos. And we appreciate you watching. And we'll catch you on next one. Bye.
Bye.